Bro, I'm literally thinking of selling multiple niches in one store. I know it doesn't work out, but it might be worth a try, Lamau. Bro, the thing is you want to run one niche on the store because then the Etsy algorithm likes you more and it understands the products you're selling, and then it'll promote your products more to that specific type of audience, right? You don't want to go too broad because then it doesn't understand what it's doing, right? Like, look, I got some props today, guys. Like, it's got, like, if you're selling this fucking thing and then you're selling a fuck off big crystal, Etsy's not going to understand which things, like which niche your store is in, right? Because there's just two different niches, two different types of customers. So you don't really want to do that. I mean, it does work. Don't get me wrong. There are some big stores that do this. But if you look at the top 100 stores, the far majority sit within one specific niche. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.